the background with some good old eastern mountains.
Is the water pretty?
Yes, we should go take a walk.
Bidong, bidong. You want to move over? Huh?
Nope.
We shall see you like you will be open. Oh, right down there.
Shachima. Fresh?
Ooh. Yeah, my hand's already hurt. Look. It already hurt. Mobile.
Hey, are you eatable? Tell me if you're eatable. 'Cause I am not sure.
I gotta go to the lake and oh, here it is, right there.
Do you see any fish down there?
Look at this tree. Look at all the rocks underneath the tree. Look. Where it fell.
Oh, 116.
Dude, we could like have a really bonfire. We're not gonna be shot too, right? You know who she reminded me of with her voice? So they use this for church services.
I hope we see a deer or something.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Exercise trip. Okay, let's go.
I got, let me see if I have shopping to do yet.
Oh wow, this is super nice.
Ooh, a bit shaky.
Oh, hungry boy. Hungry boy don't like it like it. Can I use these to eat with?
Yeah. Dinner is ready.